Are you a breast man or a butt?
Hey, yo! Come, Lisa. I'll show it them on.
Listen, man, I watched the. Is it the state senator?
Ready now. Hey, ready. Oh Lord, welcome to the Friday edition of the social media countdown. I am Dutty Berry. But anyway, today is Friday, and so we have some topics to talk about, and of course, you know, some throwback random videos of the week and all kind of things, because the next time when you see me, I will be a year officially older, because my birthday is this Sunday. And I don't really figure out what I'm going to do. I'm just hoping that I get a little bit drunk. That's the only goal, because when I'm drunk, I will not work. And outside of that, I will always find a time to work. So let's just celebrate with me and wish me a very drunk Sunday. But anyway, let's get into today's social media countdown.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things that going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, uncover all the topics like I in them. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them talk me out what happened on the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 3, popping tongue, my Listerine. Why did I say my Listerine? So, I don't know if you know a very popular piercer. He is, I think he's a tattoo artist, piercer. Him did pierce my ears. He's located in Half-a-Tree, and his handle is Popping Jamaica. So, if you want the baddest piercings at him, you got to. So, this woman decided that she wanted to spice it up her tongue. She didn't want to continue the summer with a regular, boring tongue. She want to her tongue them for having holes so that some keys can go inside of it, because she is looking to step up her dolliness. And how can she achieve this? By piercing her tongue. So she linked Popping, and this is how it turned out. Run this. See, hey, yes sir. I'll show it to them. Come, Lisa. I'll show it to them. I'm here. Eh?
You're not so cool.
You're not so cool. Yeah, boy, your tongue pipe, you're not so cool.
My blood there.
Your blood there?
My blood there.
Which blood? You start so good now. Eh? You start so good now. You come. Yeah. Oh wow! Oh no! Why is the woman in the middle of complaining have to mention to the camera that she doesn't do the Lisa hype, that she doesn't do the little chaka, the gawk, 5,000, 4,000, 6,000, no know which thousands it reach, but I wrote a knowing about me know. So you have some gal reach all 20,000 because them in at the 2089. You get me? Alright, I'm just shut my mouth a while ago. I say 89 a while ago, and I remember something around with 89, but then remember this is supposed to be a family show. Right? Yeah. And so, Burritos, let me know, would you ever in your life try to do a tongue piercing? Or you feel like them something that not only, them something that carelessness? Sound off in the comments.
Now, here is this week's random video of the week.
Listen, man, I watched the. Is it the state senator?
The
Assembly woman. Mm-hmm. She did a very good review of you and your achievements. She looked very proud when she was doing it, and I felt very proud as well.
You know, when you go to the market,
yes.
I had to make an impression on your office and outside the office.
Well, listen, you have been making a big impression all over.
I'm trying. Thank you.
And I'm certainly going to make some more hit songs.
Hello.
Anyway, listen, we're very proud of it.
Thank you so much.
And of course, thanks for the endorsement of the RGD. The RGD has been doing some great and innovative things to bring inclusivity to these very important civil documents.
One question. Can these the certificates be received in digital format?
Not yet.
Not yet, but they're working on it.
That's a step, because
yes,
you know the accessibility with the JAWS and with voiceover.
Yes. So what we've done, many Jamaicans don't know this, is that when we're doing the NIDS,
right,
we talk about the card But the NITS platform is an entire digital infrastructure which will allow the tokenization, the ability to deliver these civil documents in digital format. So you could have it on your phone.
Yes.
You can carry it portable with digital devices. So that's what the entire platform is. So yes, I would say in another year or so we should be heading in that direction. Yeah. Excellent. Keep up the good work.
Sharing is caring, so you got to share me. Say you like dark chocolate. Ooh.
This is for the 10th anniversary. So, you know I've talked about Deja Resort already. That is where I stay whenever I'm in Montego Bay. It's a quaint spot, a nice, let me tell you, like it's very cozy, very intimate. It's right across the road from Doctor's Cave Beach. And it is all inclusive. You can go there with your friends and your family and have a nice, jolly old time. And the food is top tier. Anyway, I digress. And so what Deja is doing for the 10th anniversary is that
If you book from now until the end of May, you pay only $100 per person based on double occupancy.
yes, man, a sweet deal, but you have until now to the end of May, that's the 31st of May, to book so you can qualify for this deal. And all you have to do is just use my personal code that is Berry10. Berry10 for the burritos them. Bomba, look at bars, that is it. Berry10 for the burritos them. No, just use Berry10, that alone. I just rhyme because I feel like me a DJ for Magnum Kings of dancehall, okay? Yeah, and so the travel window is from now until June 30. And so for more information, please just send them an email, info@dejaresort.com, okay? Remember the special unique code, Berry10. Ta-ta! Oh, gosh.
Hi, my name is Angelita McDonald, Sales and Reservations Manager here at the Deja All-Inclusive Resort, the all-inclusive family-owned property, Jamaican of course. Of course, we're 5 minutes from the airport, free access to Doctor's Cave Beach, 100% Jamaican staff, Jamaican food, and Jamaican entertainment. So come on down and check us out, because the Jamaican begin right here, so.
Number 2, Armani questioned. All right, so the Fiesta boss himself, Armani dancehall artist, was recently on a podcast and an interview where he was grilled. Take a look.
Are you a breast man or a body?
Hey, yo! See that!
Wait.
No!
Wait, let me. Oh my God. Wait. Talking about that, would you ever make a girl put a rose on your balls? What? Y'all never had that before? On the balls? No, babe. Oh, okay. Try it. Okay, you know what? In the comments, tell me if y'all try it and let me know. I'm so boring.
I'm not boring. You're just wild.
Oh, is that wild? Y'all get a man head and you put a rose on the balls? Y'all bugging. What? Why would I be talking about something I didn't do? Who dates a girl that don't give head?
No.
Why? Elaborate.
Brawling. Cause why not? Your guy is not so good.
You know, so Paris is a setup for that a while ago. That was definitely a setup question. She asked him if he is a boobs, a breast man, or if is he a batty man. Okay? And you see how Armani make sure same that your question because him know all social media would have clip it and run with it right there. And he cannot do that as a trending dancehall artist right now. So it was very good that him catch the rake and all kind of things. And that was a very fun interview. The first time I actually hear about this girl, and it seems like she have a lot of personality. I like the energy on her channel. And she even did a follow up one with him in the 20 versus 1 featuring Armani. You know that concept should have like several ladies, and he had to pick one because they would have come in and question him one after the other. So that's how that went.
Yo, she's trying to delete it. No. You smell good.
If you ask me, I'm ready.
And so all in all, I'm very much here for it. I really like that the artists nowadays, the entertainers, they're becoming very open to doing interviews and showing their personality outside of the music business. Because you know, say one time the artists, them very lame, them very boring, them no want to interact, them no want to show, so them have teeth who can smile. Because a part of dancehall and the performative nature of it is that them they supposed to just walk around and just look like every day them just get up and kill people. That is how them supposed to be. Ask them a question, up, you know. Yeah, man, me G. You know, I don't really do them things there, you know, my dog, you know, man. I just there, you know, skirt. A period that they would have given in the interview, you're like, come on, man. You don't have no little depth. Where is your personality? So, big up artists like Armani, who are definitely blazing the trail in this new era of dancehall artists. Hey burritos, I need your help. The channel is currently at 297,000 subscribers and I want to get to 300,000. That's a big mark. Now I know you might be wondering why you don't reach 300,000 subscribers already when you have all of this amazing content on the channel. Well, it's because y'all not doing a part. Wanna love the content, so play your part. Subscribe to the Dutty Berry Show YouTube channel today. Thank you very much in advance, all right? Yes, road to 300,000. Whoa! And number one goes to CXC Stresses. Whoa! Yes. Oh, Lord. Why am I tapping for stress? But my word, my sentence, my paragraph, my essay, my biblioteca, number one goes to CXC Stresses. Lord, I am so glad I'm out of high school because me remember how me did go through whole heap of anxiety, whole heap of trepidation over my CXC, the results, everything, because you have the expectations of your friends, the expectations of your family, friends of the family, of your teachers, and most of all, the expectations of yourself. Because how them build CXC, you know, is that if you do not pass your subject them, or if you don't get everything in a one, your life over, everything spoiled, you're going to be on roadside, nobody going to look after you, I eat that. But when you leave now, you realize you can literally have a fresh new start at 20, 30, 40, 50 and go into a whole new career, right? And so what I liked is that a lot of the Jamaican students, they have been documenting their CXC journey and their reactions. Take a look at some of them.
Unfortunately, someone was in desperate need and I do what I got to do. What did you do? Nothing.
Yeah, when I time them, yo, you see when me pray first time, me look at the paper, me know me couldn't run. Me get up and go bathroom and kneel down and pray again. You see me come back and start the paper, me stuck at one question and I ask him to go bathroom again. And me kneel down 2 more times and pray again. And me still fail. All of them prayer they gone to waste.
You see, when you see stuff like this, you know the people them who never study. And if you never study, you make sure say you just left and go your yard quick and fast. Because you know when the bright sparks them, the nerds them come in and start to talk about, oh my God, I didn't know, so number 1 I did A, and number 2 I did C, and when you get it right, and you know, so you never get none of them something right, you just feel bad and want to truck off one building. So I like stuff like this, but this next video now had a young man now who I guess had the presence of a female to just soothe him as he, you know, stressed out about the exam. Look.
Yo, me boy.
Sensational.
Can't finish, oh yeah. Uy. There you find us. Roll over here.
This is the energy that all of us need. Like, as a matter of fact, can we make it a prerequisite that before any exam, you have a full arms back rub? I can't pronounce the word. Shoulder. No, I can't pronounce the word. This shame. Shoulder. No, wait, hold on. All right. Soldier. Jeez, I'm buried. Jesus Christ, now you're literally looking dumb in front of the people them now. So this is shoulder. That is it. Oh Lord. Oh, I look at me there if you want that me I forgot to over back pep. Oh, wow, I never really did pep. I did G-Set. But, hey. Well, that's it today. We've come to the end of another social media countdown. It's Friday. By the time when I'm seeing this, I should be out there partying and enjoying myself, hopefully, and getting drunk drunk on my way to Sunday. All right. And so, if you enjoyed the countdown, please to give me a thumbs up, like the video, leave a comment, share the video with your friends and your family. Dutty Berry Show YouTube channel. We're still on the road to 300,000 subscribers, so make sure you're not playing a part and you can give me that birthday gift. All right, in my 10th anniversary. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. That's at Dutty Berry Show on Facebook, X, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok, Instagram, all over at DuttyBerryShow. And for advertising, shoot me an email to bookings.duttyberryshow@gmail.com. Okay, take care until next time. And don't forget about the Deja deal. It's finishing at the end of this month, where what is it? You use the promo code Berry10, and you get a $100 discount per night for double occupancy. Woo! Oh my God, take care, burritos. Have a lovely weekend.
The dirty, yeah, the berry, yeah, the juicy, yeah, the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the corner coming soon. All the drama what you want, you can tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn. Pot cover, mix up, blender. All them talk me, how I have me not a week, yo, just tune in. Zine.